In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo XC60 key fob. This is an easy process. You can do it yourself at home. All you'll need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2430 battery. CR2430 battery. These are inexpensive. You can find them online, and if you're interested, you can go check out the first link down in the description there, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. Now the first step is to look here on the back. On the bottom, there's this switch. Just going to hold that down and pull out the internal key. Another quick note is that there is a 6-button and a 5-button version. Forgot to mention this. It doesn't matter which one you have. The process is exactly the same for both. So back to where we were. Now we have the key out. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it into the keyhole, and kind of finding the sweet spot, you want to apply a little bit of pressure until you feel this back section of plastic coming off. And so you just want to push until there's enough space here on this corner for you to fit your flathead in, and just kind of pry the back off. Oops. There we go. And one thing to mention is that while you're doing this, don't apply too much pressure. You don't want to damage the plastic around here. And you can also do this with the key itself, but we're going to be using the flathead later anyway, and I find it easier. But you can also find that sweet spot in there and do the same thing with this key. So just make a little space in the corner, pry, and now we are inside. We have access to the battery. So I think the best thing to do is just continue here with the flathead, come in on this top corner and pry the battery out. And when you are putting in your new battery, which again is a 2430, you want to make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. Just simply click it into place, positive side down, and now we can put these two pieces back together, and this kind of star-shaped metal component goes on top of the battery like that. Snap it into place and put your key back in there, and with that you are finished. I hope this helped you out. I hope it was easy enough to follow. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.